This 15 years, it's a whole lot of beautiful things to talk about.
In fact, with God, it has been an amazing one. Yes. In one musical video, I went to shoot one musical video. So that was where I met him. Yeah.
That day I was cold. It rained a lot, and I was cold. I was shivering inside the bus. I lied down, catching cold, and I saw somebody from behind use wrapper to cover me. Somebody I've not known from the first time. We just came to work for the first time. That covering, that shelter, that care, it speaks volume. And I keep on asking if she can do this when I don't really know much about her. If I bring her home, she will do more.
He can talk for like hours non-stop.
I met her in a location. That first move, that covering is a move. I'm sure she's the one because she loved what she saw. Do you know how handsome I was looking then? Even in my class then, I was looking so yummy.
And I was like, oh, this kind of person that will talk, you keep laughing, So I think that was my...
We both made the move. She covered me and I accepted. And the move starts. Boom.
Because he's an intentional man. I like Jesus. No, I don't. You know,
an intentional man.
I
swear. Look at your face. You know something is wrong. Yeah.
You are doing well. So, whoever you are with,
this is
coach. I am happy that I'm alive to celebrate.
It's lovely.
Jesus.
Come on.